Hello Mzansi, the former Generations actor Thami Mnqgolo posted a picture of himself holding a bottle of wine called Mjita wines. So apparently he has his wine now, and this is because after he was trending after this picture that he had posted or had been linked on social media. So he decided to make a lemonade out of this whole situation because lately he's been sinking in depression, drinking a whole lot more than he's supposed to. And then he decided to make a wine bottle called Mjita wine. So to refresh your memories, Mzansi, excuse me, Thami Mnqgolo was married to Joanne Reneke for 10 years, and the couple had 2 children. The cause of the divorce was because of Thami Mnqgolo struggled to get gigs after being, fired from Generations. As the result, they experienced, financial problems, and then that put a strain on their marriage, and then they ended up being divorced. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mgosi. Bye bye.